Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Rakuten for cashback and affiliate earnings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Rakuten for cashback and affiliate earnings, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.rakuten.com and press enter. On the Rakuten homepage, look for the Join Now button and click on it. Fill in your email address and create a password for your account. After entering your information, click on the Join Today button. You will receive a confirmation email from Rakuten. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click the link inside the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Rakuten homepage and log in with your credentials. Now, access the cashback section to explore eligible stores. To maximize cashback, find the store you wish to shop at and click the corresponding link. This will redirect you to the retailer's website. Make your purchase as usual on the retailer's site. After your purchase, Rakuten will track your transaction and apply the cashback. For affiliate earnings, navigate to the affiliate section on the Rakuten site. Sign up for their affiliate program if you haven't done so already. Once approved, you will receive unique referral links for various products. Share these links through social media, blogs, or other platforms. Whenever someone purchases through your link, you will earn a commission. Check back regularly in your Rakuten account to monitor your cashback and affiliate earnings. Enjoy the benefits of saving money and earning extra income through Rakuten. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.